Low election chat. Alright, Tass, me not gonna argue with you, you know. You have to go check you out for yourself. Listen, leave Portland things to Portland people. You don't come from Portland. You don't know what going up there. Me I tell you, she not do nothing up there, virgin. All I wanna see, I just see me there, brother. When she say election, they know say election I come September from way back in June, you know. So she knows say election I come up, alright? Me go fix the road there now, alright? Then say me I work your pussy clot and then I work your last 3 blood clot here. Go up on our page. Go up on our page and scroll on 2023, 2024. All you see on our page then time there. I pose up in a picture so.